The best foldable ping pong tables that is easy to assemble. If there's one game that can liven up any party or make time pass by in a flash, it's ping pong. With the best foldable ping pong table, you can turn your home into a gaming arena without taking up too much space. Just as fun as full-sized ping pong tables, the foldable counterparts come with the same sturdy construction and are made of durable materials. They are lightweight, easy to assemble, and even easier to transport, making them a better choice for those who move around often. So, keep watching as we have listed some well-built foldable ping pong tables for you. Pick your favorite one and indulge in exciting games whenever you're in the mood. Number 1. Best with steel leg frames. MD Sports Table Tennis Set. This ping pong table with a net has reinforced construction with steel leg frames. It comes with 2 balls, 2 paddles, a set of posts, and a net. The protective corner caps offer additional safety, and both sides are laminated with PVC to protect the table from water damage. It is easy to assemble the table using the 3D instructions accessible on the Built app. The tube aprons provide additional support, and the thick tabletop provides even bounce. The official tournament size table can be folded for a single player practice. This ping pong table is portable, thanks to its 2-inch double lockable casters. Specifications: color, blue and white. Playfield thickness, 0.59 inches. Product dimensions, 108 by 60 by 30 inches. Folded dimensions, 73 by 60 by 16 inches. Table aprons, 1/1/5 inches. Weight, 134.2 pounds. Base material, alloy steel. Frame material, alloy steel. Pros: sturdy, easy to move around, lightweight, foldable, stylish, easy to store. Cons: might be difficult to assemble. The table may not align properly. Number 2. Best compact. Joola Indoor Ping Pong Table. Joola offers one of the best foldable ping pong tables with a stylish appearance and sturdy steel legs. Its surface provides a superior bounce, and the legs have levelers to ensure the playing surface is even and smooth. The table also folds upwards for a single-player game. This ping pong table with regulation tournament size comes with a removable net, and each wheel comes with a safety latch system. Specifications: color, bright blue. Playfield thickness, 0.59 inches. Product dimensions, 108 by 60 by 30 inches. Folded dimensions, 73 by 60 by 20 inches. Table aprons, 1 inch. Base material, particle board. Frame material, alloy steel. Pros: easy to store, compact, portable, easy to move around, easy to set up. Superior bounce, sturdy, smooth surface. Cons: the 4-piece table may not align well. Holes for the U-clamps may not be located appropriately. Number 3. Best lightweight. Butterfly Junior Ping Pong Table. The foldable ping pong table is height adjustable and slightly larger than a mid-size ping pong table. It has a sturdy steel frame, and each half of the ping pong table has 2 wheels to move it effortlessly. This miniature ping pong table has more thickness than ping pong tables of the same size and provides a superior bounce. In addition, it is equipped with protective corner pads and comes with an adjustable and removable net. Specifications: color, blue. Playfield thickness, 5 inches. Product dimensions, 81 by 45 by 30 inches. Weight, 75 pounds. Base material, alloy steel. Frame material, alloy steel. Pros: no assembly is required. Sturdy, easy to store, compact, portable, easy to transport. Lightweight. Cons: wheels may not lock well in place. Net might not have a clip-on. Number 4. Best waterproof construction. Pro Spin Ping Pong Table. The medium-sized ping pong table is foldable and comes with a net, post, and leg levelers to provide a smooth and even surface. This table is made of durable aluminum and is easy to set up in smaller spaces. It comes with metal clasps to fix it securely and a handle to carry it with ease when folded. Specifications: color, blue. Playfield thickness, 0.59 inches. Product dimensions, 71 by 40 by 30 inches. Folded dimensions, 36 by 41 by 3.6 inches. Weight, 34 pounds. Base material, metal. Frame material, aluminum. Pros: waterproof construction, pre-assembled, easy to store, sturdy, lightweight, easy setup, compact, well constructed. Cons: table material may not be dense enough to offer good bounce. Legs may be fragile. Number 5. Best with wheels. EastPoint Sports Ping Pong Table. EastPoint Sports Ping Pong Table comes with a competition-grade net and paddle storage on the side to store 4 table tennis paddles and 6 balls when not in use. You can adjust it to playback position for single-player practice, and it has wheels that you can lock in place to maintain the position of the table. In addition, it has an official regulation table size suitable for players of all ages. The tabletop is fully laminated and thick enough to provide a consistent bounce and smooth playing surface. Its powder-coated and rust-resistant 1.375-inch steel frame is self-folding and sturdy. The ping pong table has molded corner caps to keep the table level and prevent warping. Specifications: color, green, playfield thickness, 3/4 inches. Product dimensions: 108 by 60 by 30 inches. Folded dimensions: 72 by 60 by 33 inches. Table aprons: 1.375 inches. Weight: 150.68 pounds. Base material: alloy steel. Frame material: alloy steel. Pros: easy to move around, easy to assemble, compact, easy to store. Features paddle holders. Cons: may not be sturdy enough. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.